Hello guys, my name is Stanley. Welcome to today's tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot with your Mozilla Firefox browser. Alright, now if you have your Mozilla Firefox open, if you don't have it open, just go ahead and open it. Yeah, this is a quick way to take a screenshot. Okay, I could actually take a screenshot of the whole screen or take a screenshot of a particular section. So to do that, just hover on the area you want and then right click. Now you could see this option right here. It says take a screenshot, so go ahead and select it. Now once you've done that, you could go ahead and hover off the area and then you could actually say save full screen, but I actually want to take this area, so I want to show you guys how it's done. Click on it. Once you've clicked on it, it's already saved. Then go ahead and click on save, on download. Once you click on download, your image is going to be downloaded right here. So go ahead and click on this drop bar, select this folder icon and then come to the particular location, then preview. And now we can see our previewed image is actually previewed what the section which we screenshot. And then if you want to actually make more use of this, you could actually select again and take a screenshot, and then you can actually save full page. So saving the full page is going to save all the full page for you. You can see the option right here, saves all the page in full for you. Go ahead and download it so that you'll be able to preview it. Alright, now follow the same step. Open the folder, right click on it, then preview, and you can see it actually saved up full page for us. And when you zoom in, you could be able to read all the content. And then if we still don't want that, still right click, take a screenshot, and then we can actually drag a particular portion within the page and then leave it. And if we are somehow not okay by it, we could adjust a little, and then once we're done, just do the same, and it still saves for us. We still go here and we'll see final image. So that's the way to do it. Alright, thanks for watching this tutorial. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel to get more video. My name is Stanley, again from Tech Talk.